Welcome back, fellow coders. Jared O'Leary here with BootUp. In this video, I want to show you a neat idea. So you may have noticed in the neat idea playlist that there are a bunch of different videos on here. And one of the things that I like to point out are some videos that do some parallax. Now, parallax is when it makes it so it looks like you're moving around, like you can look around in the different scenery that you're looking at. So here's a project that not only does parallax, as we can see the button right here, but it also randomizes the scenery. So when we press the green flag, we have a random backdrop. When you click the button, it will switch to a different backdrop. Okay, so it randomizes it. It's very beautiful. Now, if you click this button, it actually turns on the parallax. It makes it so that when you move the mouse around, it will actually change the depth of this particular project. Now, you can actually save and load these. So if you're interested in it, check out this project, and you can see it in the description below. I linked directly to it, which I thought was a really neat idea for creating kind of an interactive scenery, or just removing parallax and making it so that it's just kind of staying still. You got these little things floating around. Now, I thought this was a really neat idea. If you got a project that you'd like to share, make sure you comment below a link to it so everyone else can take a look at it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Let us know something that you learned or created in the comments below. And make sure to subscribe, like, and check out the links in the description for even more free resources, such as videos, free lesson plans, and our podcast.